Hello, I'm Tsviatko Alexandrov, Risk Management Specialist at the European Commission for the Control of Foot and Mouth Disease, and on behalf of EuFMD, I will present a modern approach for early detection, surveillance, and outbreak management of animal diseases. Foot and mouth disease and similar transboundary animal diseases, FASTs, can have important socio-economic consequences at farm, national, and international levels. When introduced to a country or region for the first time, they cause negative impact on the trade and export of life-susceptible animals and products thereof, and direct losses for the control and eradication measures applied like stamping out, emergency vaccination, and others. In countries where FASTs are endemic, they lead to direct production losses and indirect losses through the cost of disease control measures such as vaccination, quarantine, and movement restrictions, and greatly reduced export market. Considering identified areas of improvement and lessons learned after FAST outbreaks in Europe, EuFMD developed a systematic and comprehensive concept to assist veterinary services of its member nations to further develop their capacity. It consists of a wide range of tools and capacity development resources required for structured, evidence-based, and tailor-made emergency response planning. It is provided by linking of risk mapping, surveillance, fast disease modeling, information sharing, and awareness raising and education. Furthermore, we have looked for and exercised modern technologies for improving fast emergency preparedness and response, like using virtual reality for training purposes, GPS tracking of wildlife during epidemics, and drones in real-time situations.
The European Commission for the Control of Foot and Mouth Disease, EuFMD, is continuously seeking for the new possibilities to contribute to early detection, surveillance, and outbreak management of FMD and similar transboundary animal diseases. The use of drones in risk and affected areas is such a possibility. Drones allow to obtain real-time data and biological parameters in wider areas without disturbing animals and introduction of biosecurity risk. Drones can capture the farm structure and surrounding area, its borders, establishments, feeding and watering points of animals, and neighboring farms. Drones can get quite close to animals without upsetting them. In this way, clinical signs of infectious disease can be observed and recognized. Drones can be useful for inspection of multiple farms in a short time, of animals on pasture, and for control and verification of the measures during outbreak management. Drones can also be used to find animal carcasses, monitor movement of animals and wildlife, identify risk contacts with other herds and wildlife, and if equipped with a thermal camera, they can detect animals that have pyrexia. Overall, the use of drones could make surveillance and control activities much more efficient and fully achieve the goal of maintaining biosecurity to the highest professional level. This is an excellent example how new technologies can support field activities in practice.
I take the opportunity to highly acknowledge the work of Nadia Rumik, Zorana Basic, and Ismund Wenda for the very interesting and exciting exercise with drones in the very beautiful area of Nakuru, Kenya. Thank you very much.